around you. So make sure that gennych chi chydig bach lle o gwmpas chi. Nothing you're going to bash into, those chandeliers, those fancy lightings that you've got above your head when we do our big circles, okay? Just be aware of those. Just one of ours yn pethau dros eich penna, falle, just a cael yna, cyn rhyw fath o lle o gwmpas chi. So unwaith eto, as usual, think about this as relaxation, meditation, okay? So, da chi'n mynd trio gweithio mor galed da chi'n gallu, yn ytrach da chi'n trio symud yn cyffyrddus ac ymlacio tra da chi'n neud o. So this isn't about trying to work out, this is a form of meditation or relaxation. So try and just relax into the movements as we go through the sequence. Yeah. So we're going to start with our quick body massage. So you dechrau off, and just turn your spectol oddi ar gwyneb os gwelwch yn dda. We'll just take those glasses off the face just for a second. And we're just going to start by warming our hands up. So just cynnesydd rŵl yna fyny os gwelwch yn dda. It's cold outside, so yeah, let's get those hands warm. A wedyn, be nes i gwneud wan, just roed y dŵl o dros y gwyneb, we're just going to place the hands over the face, just take a few breaths in and out, just try and relax a little bit. Okay, so with me, we're just going to breathe in and out, and adlu fewn, ac allan, a just trio ymlacio, just trio cymryd amser I mwynhau'r amser yma da chi am gael rwan. So just try and relax and enjoy this next half hour or so, just doing something nice for yourselves. Okay, we'll do the same thing again. Yr un peth eto os gwelwch yn dda. And once again, unwaith eto, union un peth, just dŵl o dros y gwyneb, and just trio ymlacio chydig bach. Just be aware of the sensation of those hands resting on the face. Don't know whether the hands feel cold or they feel hot now. Just be aware of that sensation. A few breaths in and out, just yn adlu fewn ac allan. Okay. If you want to, os da chi eisiau, gewch chi roed y spectol online. And then with the fingertips, then you just am dechrau, just tapping around the pen. You're just going to start very gently, just tapping around the scalp. And you're just going to make a bach o massage around your pen, your scalp. So just rhwng bob man, does na ddim patrwm penodol, there's no specific pattern with this. Da chi just mynd o gwmpas y pen. Ac efo'r pwysau, da chi just rhoi cyn gymaint o ymdrech I fewn I hyn da chi isio. You just apply as much pressure as you want with this, what feels right or what feels natural or what feels comfortable. And then very gently, we're just going to start tapping around the forehead, just o gwmpas y pen, y talcan, gwmpas y llygada, lawr y gwyneb, again, down the face to the jaw, and then just very gently, just working way back up, around the eye sockets again, o gwmpas y llygada eto, nysgan bach, ar y talcan, on the forehead, and then we'll just do a little bit of a circle around, and then just relax. So just ymlacio, just fod yn aware sut mae hynna'n deimlo dros y gwyneb, os mae'r gwyneb I teimlo ddigrada, feels a little bit rejuvenated in a way. Okay, so efo'r llaw there, we're going to make a fist. With the right hand, we're going to make a fist. Dwrn, a wedyn da ni am just roed y llaw chwith o dan y braich yna, a wedyn da ni am yn roed dwrna ar yr ysgwydd chwith, a wedyn dwi eisiau'n dechrau just tapio o gwmpas top yr ysgwydd. We're just going to start tapping the bit between the shoulder and the ear. And then from there, we're just going to gradually start just working our way down the arm. Gweithio lawr y braich. Gad y braich bisgyn lawr. Let the arm hang down now. And then we're just going to work our way all the way down. Lawr y llaw. A pryd ni cyrraedd y dwlo, when we reach the fingertips, flaen y fysydd, and just troi y llaw around. And then we're just working our way back up. Some bit might need a bit more work. Mae rhaid dan a posib fan ychydig bach mwy. Just tapio gwmpas bob man. Cyn wedyn newid drosodd I ochr arall. We're going to change over to the opposite side. So now right hand goes under left elbow. Left hand now goes on right shoulder. A cyn waith eto, then just dechrau off tapio yr ysgwydd na. Fel ysdweud, then just gweithio lawr, keep working down. Dal yn mynd lawr y braich na. So rwan also, just let the arm hang down like I said, and just walk your way all the way around that muscle. So you are trying to massage, that's trying to massage your braich. So just keep working down. Troi llaw drosodd, gweithio fyny'r llaw ei hun, a wedyn nôl I fyny y breichiau. Ar y chest. A wedyn da ni'n gweithio gwmpas y bol. Okay, so now we're working around the abdominals. Just tap, tap, tap. So unwaith eto, efo'r pwysau neu'r ymdrech mae'n fyny I chi. It's very much individual how much pressure you want to apply. Some of you want to be a little bit more gentle around the abdominal areas, others might want to be working a little bit harder. But what you try to do is just massage, give the muscles a bit of a wake up, okay? Then we're going to work around to the back, gweithio i'r cefn, and then just gweithio gwmpas y cefn yma. We're working around the back area. See my voice, it might be a little bit shaky. A wedyn da ni'n gweithio lawr y cefn y penol. Okay, so rwan da ni'n gweithio y buttocks. So mae hein yn cael chydig bach mwy o gwaith. Mae hein yn cyfynna mawr, so da ni'n really gallu rhoi chydig bach mwy o gwaith I fewn I hyn. Okay, so we can give these a bit more of a beating. They have bigger muscles, they're deeper muscles, so we can give them a bit of a work. A wedyn da ni'n gweithio lawr cefn y coes. So just be careful as you're working down the back of the legs. Watch your balance. We're working as far as we can down the legs before then working back up the inner thighs. So wedyn nôl I fyny tu fewn i'r coes. Wedyn da ni'n gweithio tu allan i'r coesau. We're going to do the same thing. So we're just tapping away. As we're tapping away, we're working our way down. Da ni'n gweithio lawr y coesau tu allan. Mor bell ydych chi eisiau mynd, cyn wedyn gweithio nôl I fyny tu fewn i'r coesau. So unwaith eto, da ni'n just rhoi massage tu fewn i'r coesau, gwmpas y groen, y bol, ac yn ola, da ni'n gweithio lawr ffrynt y goes. So blaen y coes rwan, all the way down the front of the legs now, down the shins, lawr i'r traed, a wedyn gweithio ffordd nôl I fyny tu fewn, nes da ni nôl i'r bol. A wedyn just ysgwyd y cig off yr corff, shake the meat off the bones, ysgwyd bod dim allan. So rwan ni eisiau canolbwyntio ar y balance na, so da ni eisiau gwneud siŵr gyda ni a ffram dda I ddechrau yna. So we're just going to focus on the balance for a second. So we're going to take our feet very, very wide, which won't obviously be natural for you guys. We're then going to take the feet bring the feet together, so then we've got that traed nes at y gilydd, fel bod so ddim llawer o balance, da ni off balance chydig bach. Ond beth da ni eisiau gwneud rwan, eisiau mynd allan I gwmpas lefel clia. So we're moving to about the hip width apart. So it's something that you can stand in a position you can stand in for some kind of time that you feel quite safe and secure in. And then from there, we're just going to rock backwards and forwards, just to try and find a bit of an in-between balance, a 50-50 between the heel and the toes. So rhywbeth canolig rhwng blaen y traed a'r swdl, lle da ni'n teimlo da ni'n saff. Ac o fanna, just go through the benglina mymryn bach, so just soften the knees slightly, just to give yourself a bit more kind of control on the legs, and then we're ready to begin. So we're going to start by placing the hands in front of us. Okay, so about 90-degree bend in the arms, and then we're just going to make a small lean back to the left. So just symudiad bach i'r chwith, rownd i'r there, a wedyn i'r front. So we're doing like a bit of a circle around the upper body. So this is now fatha cylch rownd y top y corff, mewn ffordd. So slo bach yn rownd, a just mewn fan hyn fatha ffordd I just i'r llwytho'r cefn, ac I symud fatha yr organs to down. So just think of this as a way, just to try and loosen off your lower back, but also a way of kind of massaging the internal organs, your spleen, your liver. All that stuff is just being moved around a little bit as we do these movements. Okay, so we're just trying this, just a small circle around, just try to get some movement. Doesn't have to be pretty, this one, don't worry, this one isn't like the most easiest for everybody to kind of get the hang of, so to speak. Just that roll around. Don't worry about your breathing with this one. Pida'ch poeni gormod amdano yn adlib o hwn. This is just a gentle movement around. We're going to do one more, un arall, before we pause, and then we go back the opposite way. So then push in the front, And then I'm in all the ffordd arall. We're going to go back the opposite way. As I said, this one isn't possibly the most comfortable for people to do, but it is a way just to mobilise that back and move those internal organs. Just follow your lwytho cefn, a just symud yr corff o'r organs tu fewn i'r corff. Down it. Dim llawer mwy o hyn, not many more of these, just a nice way just to kind of move things off. If it does feel awkward or uncomfortable on the back, then obviously I'd suggest you kind of not move so much. Or even sit down to do this one. This is a bit, I feel it's more comfortable sitting down to do this movement, this first exercise. So bysach chi gallu eistedd lawr yn neud hwn, dwi yn personol fi'n gael like for this. Okay, and we'll just come back to the centre. I'm just going to step back. Just going to soften my knees, hands just in front of my thighs. And Byddwn I want you to codi'r breichiau fyny, we're just going to lift those arms up. Now just going to let the arms just gently just fall back. So you are kind of slowing them down, but you're just controlling them as you come down. So we're going to breathe in, anadlu fewn, fel da ni'n codi fyny, a da ni'n anadlu allan, fel da ni'n gwthio'n y breichiau lawr. So fel dwi hyd yn dweud, meddwl am gennych chi fatha balloons yn codi'r breichiau fyny. A dyma'r aer jyst yn dod allan o'r balloons na slo bach i gwthio chi nôl I lawr. So as I say, I generally tell you just to try and imagine these balloons that are stuck to your wrists, just lifting your arms up. And then as you reach the top, the air starts leaving the balloons and the balloons just let the air out. Just letting your arms just fall down very slowly. Breathe in as you lift. Breathe out as they fall. Okay, my knees are kind of just lifting me up a little bit as well, so my legs are straightening a little bit. I'm bending a little bit with that rise and fall. Just so my whole body now is just moving up and moving down with my breathing. I'm going to do one more of these, un arall. And then we're going to move into that frontward movement. So with that front movement now, we're going to lift the arms straight out in front. And then we're going to roll the hands back towards you. So from the side, we're softening the knees, breathing in, anadlu fewn, roll the abdominal nôl ata fi, a dyn lawr o flaen y corff. So again, I'm soft my knees, breathe in, codi'r breichiau fyny, a rolio'r dwylo nôl tu ata fi. Rolling the arms back towards me. So I'm forming kind of a circular motion with the arms. And again, if you want to use that balloon as an image, we're lifting up with that balloon. The air is inflating, and then as we reach, the arms come back down and the balloon deflates slowly. It's not popping, they'll even just mynd yn bang. Wel, yn slo bach, mae'r air just yn gostwng chydig bach allan o'r balloon efo bob un. Dyn arall, one more. And this time as the arms come down, thumb a breichiau dod lawr, we're softening our knees, and then we're going to take the arms out to the side. A dyn nôl lawr o flaen ni, and then back down in front of us. Softening the knees, plygio coesau chydig bach, agor y breichiau allan, anadlu fewn, cyn wedyn dod â'r breichiau nôl i'r gychwyn ac anadlu allan. And just breathing out, breathing in. Try not to let the arms go too far back behind you, not trying to really stretch out the chest or the arms. You shouldn't feel any kind of strain or stress on the shoulders at all. If you start feeling the arms are getting tired, maybe you want to stop and have a little bit of a break. Okay? So os da chi dechrau teimlo bod y breichiau'n blino o gwbl, Just gael brec back. So cofiwch da chi eisiau trio wneud bench da chi'n gallu yn cyffyrddus. You should be doing what you can, but comfortably. Okay, so then adlu fewn, just a reminder, we breathe in as we open the arms up, and we breathe out as the arms come back down. So un ôl ar hyn, da ni'n adlu fewn, fel mae reichio dod allan, and adlu fewn, fel mae dod fewn. And this time we're just going to bring the hands down towards the knees. So I'm leaning forward slightly, and then we're going to open everything up to the sky. Nice circle around before coming back to the knees. Okay, so then ni'n dod nôl at pengliniau. Da ni'n agor y breichiau fyny mewn cylch mawr, holl ffordd rownd. Nes da ni'n dod nôl at y pengliniau. So da ni'n plygio'r coesau yna chydig bach. So fel nadlu, da ni'n nadlu fewn fel da ni'n codi fyny. We're breathing in as we're lifting up. And we're breathing out, and nadlu allan fel da ni'n dod nôl I lawr a plygio'r coesau yna chydig bach. Pidwch fatha ymestyn gormod yn ôl. Try not to reach back too far. Try not to reach too high if the arms or the shoulders don't like it, or the back doesn't like it, so make the circle a bit smaller. Just try and make it suitable for yourselves, everything and every time you do a movement. So da chi'n trio wneud y symudiadau gyd yn cyffyrddus I chi. Da iawn pawb, gwych, thank you. I just ymlacio bob tro, bob un symudiad, with each movement you should feel that you're able to just relax that a little bit more. It should be becoming more uncomfortable where you're more stressed. Each movement should allow you just to relax a little bit more. So tro yma, fel da ni'n dod a dŵl all around, da ni'n plygio lawr, ond da ni'n dod a dŵl o'n ni'n nôl I fyny at y sgwydda. We're going to bring the hands up towards the elbow and the shoulders, and then we're going to take it back the opposite way. So now we're kind of like doing a breaststroke, stroke, in swimming. So tro da ni'n nofio yn y pwll nofio, dod a breichiau rownd, a lawr. So eto, da ni just plygio'r coesau fel da ni'n mynd, a nadlu fewn, fel da ni agor y breichiau allan, a nadlu allan, fel da ni dod a dŵl yn ôl at ei gilydd. So we're breathing in as we open the arms, we're breathing out as the arms come back down. So think about we stay nice and tall through the spine as well. We are trying to think about our postures. Dan entry mewn dan y posture. So entry aros yn dal trwy'r cefn I gyd. A just mewn dan sy'n mae'r sgwydden yn teimlo. Just be aware of how your shoulders feel. Whether you're feeling that they start to get a bit tired. So maybe you only want to do say 4 or 5 of these movements rather than the 8 that we're doing. Just try and make it suitable and comfortable for you. Everything should be comfortable and relaxing. Hopefully. Okay, we'll make this one the last one now as I bring my hands down. We're going to do a little bit of rotation through the back, so just be careful if you've got back problems. But basically, we're just going to turn both arms up towards the sky behind us at the nôl i'r canol. Okay, so we're doing our gaze at the moon now. So the arms don't have to go too high, you don't have to reach up here somewhere. Keep the arms nice and low if you want to. We're just adding a bit of a delay, pause at the bottom, and nadlu down, breathe in, and then breathe out as we turn to the side. So nadlu allan fel da ni troi ochr. Eto, just trio mewn dan cadw'r cefn yn syth, trying to think about that back alignment, keeping the spine nice and straight. And try not to over-rotate, not trying to force anything. This isn't about trying to go further than you normally do. This is about trying just to find that nice, comfortable range of movements that you're able to move the joints as we're trying to with these movements, as pain-free and as discomfort as comfortable, sorry, as we possibly can, okay? So da ni'n trio pwsio'r corff I wneud rhywbeth fewn yn cyffyrddus yn wneud. Da ni jyst yn trio symud y cyhyrau ac y cymala mewn ffordd cyffyrddus I ni. So everything is very deliberate, very controlled. Mae bod dim yn just reoli bob symudiad mor cyffyrddus a dyn ni'n gallu wneud o. A fel dweud, bob tro, os ni jyst trio ymlacio chydig bach mwy o bob symudiad da ni'n wneud. We are trying to kind of relax that little bit more with each movement. So every time we do like a movement to the side, it kind of takes you a little bit more deeper into your relaxation. Because you don't have to think about what you're doing so much, the more you do. So you can focus more on that, just that relaxation. Just comfortable movements. We're going to do one more each side, un arall bob ochr. A dyn nôl I fewn i'r canol. Back into the centre, we'll just delay for a little bit, let our shoulders kind of just relax. So now we're going to move our feet, so I'm symud y traed chydig bach. So be dan ni'n gwneud, troi ar y sodl, troi there, we're going to turn on the heel of my right foot, and I'm going to turn my right foot out 45 degrees. So I'll troi there yn allan 45 gradd. I'm going to place my weight now onto this front leg, so I'm bending the knee now on the right foot. And a very small, deliberate step forwards, like I'm stepping onto the ice outside. So it's only a small step. My back heel is probably level with my front toe, sorry, vice versa. Just soften those legs so you've got a nice, strong base support. And then the hands come out in front, elbows tucked into the sides at 90 degrees. And then we're just going to make a small movement gesture forwards. So there's a ymestyn ymlaen, a rownd. Okay, let's try it ochr I chi cael weld. So just yn symud ymlaen, chydig bach, efo'r cylch na rownd efo'r dwlo. So it's not a big movement, I'm not really leaning forwards. And if I do start leaning forwards, I start losing my balance, or my heel wants to come off the floor, that's a good indicator that you're going too far, or you're overreaching. Okay? Os da chi teimlo bod y traed eisiau dod oddi ar y llawr, yn neud da chi colli'ch balans, neu mae'r cefn yn brifo, da chi'n mynd rhy bell yn ymlaen. So with the breathing, remember we're breathing out as we go forwards, we breathe in as we come backwards. Iawn? So da ni'n adlu allan fel da ni'n dod ymlaen, a da ni'n adlu fewn fel da ni'n dod yn ôl. Fel mae'r asynna yn agor, da ni'n adlu fewn, fel mae'r asynna yn cael, da ni'n adlu allan. So we breathe in as we open the lungs, or the ribs. We breathe out as we close the ribs. So we're going to do one more before we change sides. Un arall cyn newid ochr. Does a brys, no rush, take your time. Doesn't matter how many you do, so long as you feel that you're doing it, moving at a pace that suits you. So now that I've finished my number, I'm going to slide my front foot back, so my heels are now level. So dwi'n symud y droed yn ôl tra mae'r sodl fi yn lefel. Dwi'n troi ar y sodl I gael y traed yn sgwar. So now my feet are back square, I've turned my toes inwards. And now I'm going to turn on my left foot, troi chwith allan, 45 gradd, 45 degrees. I'm then going to move my weight over onto my left foot before that small, safe, gentle step forwards, placing that foot down like you're imagining that you're stepping onto ice. Yeah, unwaith dan yn y saddle yna, once we're into that position, soften those knees so you've got a good, strong base support. Mae'r dwlo mynd I fyny unwaith eto. A wedyn dan ni'n ymestyn ymlaen, we do exactly the same as we did a second ago. We're just reaching forwards, but not too far. So remember, it might take a couple of movements to try and get that balance right, or the distance right. So just now, just fod yn bodol faint o bell da chi symud I ddechrau. So the first few movements, you're kind of just testing to see how far you can go, or how far you feel comfortable going before you start having to lift your heels or your toes off the floor, or your back or your shoulders, what have you hurt. Possibly. So just fod yn ymwybodol faint o beth da chi symud, ac yn yr ôl neu un neu ddau ohonyn da chi wedyn dechrau ymlacio chydig bach mwy. So once you've done a couple or 3 of those, you should then be able to just start thinking about relaxing into a little bit more because your body kind of knows the distance to travel. Breathe out as you move forwards. Breathe in as you move backwards. Unwaith eto, just anadlu, move with your breathing. Try not to force it too much. Try not to keep up in time with anybody or with me. Just move at your own pace. Move with your breathing. Un arall, swch dda. One more, please. Da iawn, gwych, bendigedig pawb. Brilliant, well done guys. Okay, so from here we're going to get this foot safely back into alignment. So I'm going to slide this front foot back. I'm going to sleepio troi blaen yn ôl, a troi chwith wan yn ôl I fewn y sgwar. So now both feet are parallel, both feet are back to where they were. So if you just want to double check your feet position, just awjik your tried and sydyn, I wneud siŵr bod nhw yn y lle iawn. Okay, so unwaith da ni barod, hands down low, just below our belly. And then we're going to form a nice big circle up towards the sky. And then just let the hands fall very slowly down towards the floor, just in front of the body, just outline the calf. And then when we reach our bellies, our ribs, we're just going to make a smaller circle at the bottom. So pêl bach ar y gwylod, cyn codi'r pelan I fyny. A wedyn dod â'r pelan yn ôl I lawr i'r llawr. Okay, so once again from the front, then you cut the tail I fyny. Then you cut out the top, just gadw dwylo disgyn lawr. When we reach the top, just let the hands just come down together. And then we reach around about the belly button or so. We're just going to make kind of a smaller circle. Pelan bach ar y gwylod, then you cut the fyny, we lift up, and then back down. Okay, so that's the movement. Efo'r anadlu, the breathing is breathe in as we lift up, opening the ribs. Anadlu allan, we breathe out. Fel mae'r gwylod dod lawr as the hands come down. Anadlu fewn, eto ar y gwylod, breathe in again at the bottom with a smaller circle. Anadlu allan unwaith eto fel, then ni dod yn ôl lawr at the llawr. So breathe out as we come back down again. So let's do a few of these, breathing in. Well done. So as I said before, just try and relax a little bit more with each one of these. Move to that comfortable range of movements. Everything should be pain-free, no stress. Dim straen o gwbl ar y sgwyddau, yr cefn, yr breichiau, bob dim yn cyffyrddus I chi. Da iawn pawb. So remember to move at your own pace, move with your breathing. That ebb and flow, where you're, the breathing in, the breathing out will dictate what you're doing, and that will help you just to relax that little bit more with each one as well. Okay, so work in time with your breathing. Gweithio fewn anadlu fewn ac allan, and ewch I teimlo'ch hun ymlacio mwy o fwy o hynna. You'll definitely feel the benefits of moving with your breathing rather than trying to keep up with my pace. And as I said before, I am trying to use my legs a little bit, so there is that kind of like a rise up through the legs. And a bit of a fall as I come back down as well. Not a lot, so I'm not really bending my legs so much that I'm doing a squat or anything. It's just that there is some movement through my legs that go along with what my arms are doing, what my breathing is doing. So everything kind of works together to give you that rise up and that fall. Now, so mae bob dim yn symud efo'i gilydd I helpu kind of codi chi fyny a gostwch chi lawr. Dan ni'n mynd un arall na hyn, one more of these. So un arall, un full circle arall. Cylch mawr I fyny, nice circle up. Try not to reach too far back or too high. Softening the knees as we come down. Lifting up. And lifting down. Okay, let's place the arms up in the air. We're going to form a circle now around. Cylch rownd efo'r breichiau, nôl I fyny top. If you feel more comfortable sitting down to do this one, by all means sit down. Just take your time, breathe in at the top, breathe out as you kind of roll down to the bottom. So nice circles through the body, using the hips. So push up pen all and all. So I'm dropping my hips back as I come round. It's not about how far you can go, it's what's comfortable for you. Don't be able to faint o bell da chi gallu mynd lawr. Just trio ffeindio symudad sydd yn cyffyrddus I chi. Okay, so nadlu fewn fel da ni'n cyrraedd y top, a nadlu allan fel da ni'n mynd lawr. Ac os da chi teimlo fatha chwil, just cymwch eiliad, stopiwch am eiliad. If you do feel a little bit dizzy, just stop for a second or even sit down. Because this is a big movement through the whole body. We'll do one more, un arall, and then we're going to stop at the top, and we're going to go back the opposite way. Nôl ffordd arall. Again, anadlu fewn ar y top, anadlu allan ar y gwlad. Well, then just trio ymlacio chydig bach mwy bob tro da ni'n neud hyn. Just try and relax that little bit more each time we do these. Just try and get that movement through. You don't have to go all the way to the floor. You can go just to the knees or around the upper body only. So just my arms that are moving. Just that smaller movement. Or even use the hips, so we do go down a lot lower. It's very much up to you. Dau arall, please. Two more. Da iawn pawb. A then just gad I gwth breich a gwth o'r lawr, gosod ymlaen, so let the arms come down in front. And we're on the last exercise, so this time the palms start away from you. And we're going to bring the arms up in front and then bring the palms back. Yes, they're lift off of lining. Dwylo ymlaen, test level o'r ysgwyd a dyn dod o'n nôl at ni. Okay, so we start here, palms up towards the ceiling, and then bring those palms back towards you. Okay, da iawn pawb. So anadlu fewn fel ni'n codi dwylo I fyny. Anadlu allan fel ni'n dod o dwylo I lawr. A just gostwng y bengliniau na chydig bach. So just soften those knees a little bit. Come up towards us. And then soften the knees on the way down again. So lift up a little bit as we raise the arms up. A then nadlu allan, mae'r pengliniau jyst yn gwrthwn. The knees just soften as we breathe out. Nadlu fewn. A nadlu allan. Dau arall, please. Two more. Nadlu fewn. Un ola. A dyn yr oled yn ola, dyn ni'n reach just a little back, just to gael yn meddyliau ni nôl. We're just going to pause at the bottom of this one just for a few seconds. Just take a few breaths in and out just to get our thoughts back. Well done, and relax pawb. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Well done everyone. Da iawn pawb. Bendigo. Wych.